How to find the variant of your Samsung phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily find the variant of your Samsung device. But before we get started, I would like you to head down below to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. First thing you have to do is go to your settings menu. Once you open up settings, you basically have to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the section called About Phone. In some cases, or if you have other Android devices, you could find it right up top, but on my device, I have it right at the bottom. Tap on it. Now, all you have to do here is find the product name and then model number. As you can see, on Samsung devices, you have model number with SM dash followed by a series of letters and numbers. You can either Google that or you could just go ahead and tap on it. My device is Samsung Galaxy A53. That's why it's SM Samsung dash A53, and then you have other serial number right below that. You also can find your IMEI number down below, your IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. And if you want to find more about your software or status information, you can tap on the buttons down below. So here on your status information, you can find your IP, your MAC address, your serial number, and your uptime. And then if you go back and go to other software information, you can find your One UI version if you are on Samsung or other UI if you have it. Then you'll find your Android version, your Google Play system update, and more. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.